Let's learn phrasal verb, idioms and slang.
Zero in on. Phrasal verb.
Listen.
Zero in on. Alguns exemplos usados na vida real.
The moments when you decided to switch tracks.
Direction of finding technology that allowed them to zero in on his cell phone.
Starting a charity instead to help others zero in on a cure.
The spider can't see well, it feels nearby spokes to zero in on its meal.
To really zero in on where wells are in non-basin areas.
Like, why would the friend just zero in on him being Asian?
May have been able to hear more clearly underwater and zero in on their targets.
Phrasal verb, zero in on. Focar em algo específico. Concentrar-se em um detalhe ou problema. Identificar exatamente algo ou alguém.
She quickly zeroed in on the hidden mistake during proofreading. Detectives zeroed in on the main suspect after new evidence appeared. Students should zero in on important grammar before difficult vocabulary lessons. The scientists zeroed in on unusual results after careful observations yesterday. Reporters zeroed in on financial issues during the long political debate. The coach told players to zero in on defensive positioning today. Engineers zeroed in on the software bug causing unexpected system failures. Parents should zero in on children's strengths instead of weaknesses always. The doctor zeroed in on symptoms suggesting an early infection immediately. Researchers zeroed in on climate patterns affecting coastal communities worldwide. Customers quickly zeroed in on discounted products near the entrance today. The teacher zeroed in on pronunciation errors during every classroom activity. The company zeroed in on younger customers through creative advertisements online. She zeroed in on his nervous expression before asking difficult questions. We should zero in on practical solutions before discussing complicated theories.
Let's learn idioms.
He is not playing with a full deck if he believes that story.
Alguns exemplos usados na vida real.
He spent $100 million. That's one thing. I mean, he's obviously not playing with a full deck. Let's put it that way. He's a few bricks short of a load, or however you want to say it. But
that Powell was not playing with a full deck. Sidney Powell is a bit nuts.
Nim wasn't playing with a full deck.
The decision is now or never for the company. His off-the-cuff remarks got him into trouble. The information was strictly off the record for the journalist. Off the top of my head, I can name 3 solutions. He fell off the wagon and started drinking again. My grandfather always tells that old chestnut of a joke. Old habits die hard for many people. Our business is on a roll with record sales this month. We traveled on a shoestring budget through Europe. Let's learn slang. Let us ride around and enjoy the sunny day.
Alguns exemplos usados na vida real.
I was going to ride around the stadium in the Schumann carriage, and I was going to ride around with a horse. And I was so excited about
farmers and a few little mini tractors that they ride around, and you've got your trail signs.
To making it so the judges don't have to ride around anymore.
Tractor with me. They ride around for hours if you let them. And then there's also a set of twins, and he would do his thing and I would play with kids and ride around on my bike.
As we ride around and really mean in our lives. And then
create a real tight, sharp corner. With a bowl, it looks a little bit nicer if you have a rounded.
Khaki bashing, and what that is that they would ride around in white vans.
Sometimes we just get high and ride around in a cab.
Dressed up in medieval style armor and ride around the countryside on these giant.
Kind of a wall, this vast flying beast you can ride around, shows why games of...
She rides around the neighborhood every evening. Mob out and bring all your friends tonight. She mobbed out with her crew to the concert. Pull through and join us at the restaurant later. She pulled through and surprised everyone there. Come through and support me at the event today. She came through with the food and saved the day. Swing by my house before you go to work. She swung by and dropped off my forgotten bag. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel.